So if you actually look right here on my screen, you're gonna be seeing that you can earn Bitcoin for free. As you can see right here, it's fast. Earn Bitcoin for every task that you complete and receive payment within hours. Thanks to Bitcoin, there is no more waiting for check or bank transfers to clear. So if you come down right here, you're gonna be seeing that it's free. All you need to all you need to start all you need to start earning Bitcoin is Bitcoin address. So as you can see, they say you need Bitcoin address. So as you can see right, it says it's phone. We are always adding new interesting content. You are free to choose what you want to do. So they say earn Bitcoin anytime and anywhere, whether from your computer or from your mobile device. So right now I'm gonna be showing you how you can make this thing work. So I'm gonna be walking you step by step on how you can create Bitcoin wallet, and I'm gonna be walking you through how you can make money with this site and 8 Bitcoin for free. So as I said earlier, I'm gonna walk you through how you can make money with that site. So and I'll stick with you at the end of this video. I'm gonna show you how you can make extra money with that site. So before that, my name is Emmanuel. I'm an internet marketer. What I do is that I make videos on how to make money online. So I try to sell life, prefer to sell life. If I find something working for me, I show you guys. So all you need to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification so that every time I drop a video, YouTube will actually give you a notification that I've actually dropped a video. So if you have any question, comment down below. Give me a like in this video. So so guys, the first step is to come to this Coinbase and create an account. So all you need to do is just to come right here, put your email address right here, put your email address, okay, and click on get started right here. So it will take you where you put your first name, last name, and put the same email address. You choose your password and you accept that you are up to 18 years. So and click on create an account. So after that it will don't bring up. After that they will send you you need to verify your account. You can go to your email box and verify your account. After that it will bring you to the dashboard right here. You can see accounts created. So all you need to do is just to click here right here and click on this receive crypto from another wallet. Just click on this receive crypto from another wallet. You will click right there. It will actually it's loading. So BTC address, just click on this, just click here and copy this BTC address right here, as you can see here. So as you can see here, I have copied it right here. So all you need to do is to go to you come to this site. This I call Bitcoin Get. So the Coinbase, I'll be leaving the link in the description so you can click it and sign up. So if you come right here, just as you can see, they say enter your Bitcoin address and start. So as you can see right here, just paste your Bitcoin and just paste there and just click on this get Bitcoin. So After that, it will actually bring you slowly. So as you can see right here, there's a survey have been disconnected. So other people have already taken the survey for today. So you can if you click on this explore offers, so you can see offers. You can see offers. So you can see offers that you can complete and earn free Bitcoin right here. If you click on these videos, you can watch videos. You can watch videos and earn Bitcoin right here. So you can watch videos and and earn and earn BTC right here. So okay, as you can see, there are no more offers available at this moment. So for you to get this, for you to make for you to get more of videos to watch and make money, or more offers to watch and make money, if you are not from like all these popular countries, or if you are like all these like Africa, so all you need to do is just to go to go to go to Google and search for Tunebia, install it in your phone. Let me just show you an example right here. If I You can see that there's no more software. If I just go to Tunebia on my VPN, see right here, I have on my Tunebia right here. So if I reload this thing right here, as you can see, I'm loading more offers. So you can see that then they have not given me videos to watch. I can watch these things and earn Bitcoin. This I can watch this and earn Bitcoin. I can watch and earn Bitcoin. I can watch and earn Bitcoin. I can watch and earn Bitcoin. If I go to explore offers, so you can see that more offers. You can see that they will give me more offers complete and earn Bitcoin because I've used Nebia and hide my IP address. So to to earn more money from this, site, all you need to do is just click right here and go to okay just let me just get to my account right here. So as you can see right here, just go to this referrals. So as you can see right here, if you refer, you can refer people. You can just come right here, copy your referral link and give people. When they sign up, you'll be earning money. Anything they earn, you'll be getting 10% from their earnings. So as you can see, Sophia 10%, job and offers 5%. You can be earning from their earning for life. So that's how you'll be getting a free Bitcoin. So if I actually give you a value in this video, all you need to do for me just to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification, so that anytime I drop a video like this, YouTube will actually give you a notification that I have actually dropped a video. So the link, the Coinbase link will be in the description, so you can go there, click it and sign up and get your wallet. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.